A very good afternoon and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Dr. Walter Muzembe, a senior G40 member, asks how and why generals are being lost in Zimbabwe as if there is war. So even if there is war, the top generals are the top survivors because they are commanders. They are not always on the forefront or in the battlefield. So the major question is, why is this happening? He says even a war front such as Russia or Ukraine does not lose army generals at the rate Zimbabwe has done in peace time since 2018. Shouldn't we be concerned at this rate of attrition of our security sector if we think about our sovereignty and territorial integrity and just the general morale of the armed forces? When they process the cardinal question, who is next? So chipfukuto rudzi chapedza hama kudai, gona rudzi rapedza mauto kudai, toenda here kugumwa renyika kana kuti ndezvaishe. Rest in peace, Air Commodore Zimonde, gallant scion of Zimbabwe. So these are the things we have said for a very long time to say. When we are criticizing the government of Emmerson Mnangagwa, we are doing so because we want the people of Zimbabwe to know the truth, so that when they are voting, they vote knowing what they are voting for. But let us go back to history. 2008, not 2008. In the 80s, we had Gukurahundi. Some of these generals, they participated in Gukurahundi, where innocent lives were lost. I know that they will deny it and they will be vindictive when they are questioned about these issues, but it happened. Ngozi inotevera iwe. From there we go to Hondo Eminda. From Hondo Eminda we go to 2008. So Gukurahundi 2008, vanhu vairasikirwa neupenyu hwavo at the expense or at the behest of these comrades. So right now chipfukuto chimwe chete chakavashandisa in the 80s, chipfukuto chimwe chete chakavashandisa 2008 chakuvapedza. Guys, imagine kuti vanhu vangani vakafa because of political issues, because of political battles, because of power. Vanhu vangani vakafa. We have been told for a very long time about kuti ningi mutengesi. But after 2008, takazoona vamugabe vakubatana nemutengesi uya, vakufoma a government of national unity, vanhu vakatapirwa nenyika, including mageneral iwaya. Soon after that, vatanga futi slogan yeutengesi. 2018 elections, we know what happened. 2023 elections was worse. And these comrades were there, watching the Zimbabwean constitution being bastardized. We know that if I die nasinin, hakuna nehanya nene because I'm a nobody. The same way our people are dying, nobody cares because vanenge vachinza vana basa. But kana mai mimi maakupera maakufa manje, njada radambudziko. You can't ignore it. This is a fact. So whatever which is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe must be investigated nevanhu vane clear conscience kutaura kuti no, izvi zvinhu hazvisi kufamba zvakanaka izvi. It's no longer an issue of political affiliation or whatever. Inyaya yekuti mageneral tiri kupera sei. This is the most important question. So we need to see this issue being dealt with. If the leaders are not complicit, they must make investigations and make sure that they stop this thing which is happening. But ngozi, guys, ndo inonzi ngozi. Tiurayei, tirovei, tiite zvese, but ndo inonzi ngozi. Haiperere ipapo, inotera nevana venyu. Nerimwe zuva vana venyu vachadyiwa nayo. So this is Team Zimbabwe. Hakuna munhu anoita chakaipa asingazogoni kuti achibhadhare. Munochibhadhara chete. It is what it is. Continue to watch and see. Isisu chedu chatozva tiri kuchengetwa naMwari. Imimi munochengetwa nani nokuti Mwari makamuramba. Futi dzamunotemba nadzo hadzichashandi. Tinoita setiri kumoka but tichitaura chokwadi. Comrades, batanai nevana veZimbabwe vatambura. batanai nevana vezimbabwe vatambura. Let us struggle together and save Zimbabwe.